why do some people hear a low, buzzing hum when instruments say there's nothing there? It's the 1990s, and residents of Taos, New Mexico are reporting a constant low-frequency hum. They say it's just there, like a refrigerator or an air conditioner, just buzzing. The sound is so pervasive that it's become known as the Taos hum, and when scientists came to investigate, they found that only a small percentage of people could actually hear it. Audio tests failed to find a clear external source, leading to a number of theories. Some said it was industrial noise from a nearby factory. Others blamed tinnitus or a psychological contagion. But recordings of the hum don't match up with what people are hearing, and the hum is keeping people awake at night. Do you hear the Taos hum more? Is it all in your head?